Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today we are going to create partition on Windows 11 on your hard drives. So let's get started. Now, go to the search bar and type File Explorer, or simply click the File Explorer icon on the taskbar, or press Windows plus E on your keyboard. Once it opens, go to the left-hand side and click on this PC. Here, you can see the C drive, and there are no other partitions. So we are going to create a new partition from this drive. To create a new partition on your PC, first, right-click on the Start button. From the menu, you can either select Disk Management directly or click on Run. In the Run box, type diskmanagement.msc. Then click OK. This will open the Disk Management window. Here, you'll see different partitions like System Reserved, C Drive, and Recovery Partition. These are important system partitions, so do not modify them. Now locate your main drive, usually the C drive. Then right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. Windows will take a few moments to calculate the available shrink space, so don't worry if it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it loads, you'll be asked to enter the amount of space to shrink. Note, 1024 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte. Also, the value shown by default is the maximum space you're allowed to shrink. You can either keep that value or enter a smaller one. For example, if you want a 3.5 gigabytes partition, enter 3,500 megabytes, then click Shrink. After a few seconds or longer depending on your system, a new section called Unallocated Space will appear. Next, right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The Setup wizard will open. Click Next. Then keep the default settings and click Next again. Assign a drive letter, for example, D, and click Next. When prompted to format, make sure the file system is set to NTFS. If it shows FAT32, change it to NTFS. Leave the rest as default. Click Next. Review your settings, then click Finish. Your new partition will now be created. To confirm, open File Explorer, go to this PC, and you'll see your new drive listed there. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.